Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. Today we will study about the topic computer hardware. So computer hardware are the parts of computer that we can see and touch. All the parts of computer are hardware. Hardware are divided into four categories based on their functions. There are input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices. First category is input devices. Input devices are used to feed information, data, and instructions to a computer. The computer accepts and processes the input data before giving the output. Some examples of input devices are as follows. First hardware we are going to talk about is keyboard. It is an input device used to enter data and information into the computer. It has so many keys that are arranged in rows and blocks. We can type text, numbers, and symbols by pressing the keys on keyboard. Second is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device that allows to feed data to a computer by pointing, clicking, dragging, and dropping. The mouse pointer is used to select objects on the monitor, and with the help of mouse pointer you can also draw pictures. Mouse are of two types, wired mouse and wireless mouse. Next is graphic tablet. It is used to insert hand-drawn images into a computer directly, and it is mostly used to enter digital signatures. Next is light pen. It is a pointing device that looks like a pen. It is used to draw pictures without the use of mouse, and it is connected to the visual display unit or VDU. Next is microphone. It is used to give inputs to the computer in the form of sound or voice, like recording a song. Next is webcam. It is a camera that helps to put images and videos directly to the computer. It also used in video chats. Now next is joystick. It is used to play video games on computers. Next input device is barcode reader. It reads barcode as input data. It consists of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor. It is basically used to identify the product number, person's ID, and location. Next is biometric sensor. It is used to recognize individuals on the basis of their physical traits. It is used to mark attendance of employees in an institution. Next is scanner. It is used to put printed or handmade images into a computer. Examples of scanners are sheet scanner, drum scanner, handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, and slide scanner. Now, second category is output devices. These devices give result of the input after processing it, like monitor, printer, and speaker. First output device is monitor. Monitor has a screen called VDU, that is visual display unit. It is made up of tiny dots called pixels. There are three types of monitors: cathode ray tube, liquid crystal display, and light emitting diode. Next is printer. It is used to take out our computer work on paper in printed form. There are three types of printers: dot matrix printer, laser printer, and inkjet printer. Next is plotter. It is a special type of printer which is used in publishing offices to print large and good quality images. Next output device are speakers. They are used to listen audio of computer and also used to listen songs. Now the third category is processing device. Central processing unit or CPU is a processing device that process input given to a computer, and it is called brain of the computer. It has three main components that are control unit, which coordinates various operations of computer, arithmetic logic unit that performs arithmetic operations, and memory unit that stores information in the form of instructions and data. Last category is storage devices. They are used to record and store large amount of data for a long period of time. There are two types of storage devices. First is primary storage, second is secondary storage. Primary storage devices like RAM and ROM are temporary memory, whereas secondary storage devices are permanent memory. Older technological secondary storage devices were CD and floppy disk. And new technological secondary storage devices are SD and micro SD card, flash drive, and external hard drive. So children, this is all in this topic. See you again later. Bye bye.